They're off for the 10th. Boss Easy comes off slow with the next big thing, Lady Budget and Classy Vishala. As they dash down the far side, Ballerina Steele goes at it with Hail Mary. Synchronized the Grey runs the rail. Senor Kwanzi right with those along with First Selection and Cruise Lava Cruise. Boss Easy racing on the shoulder of Kunama. Chrysandy out wide of Shona Cruz. Lady Budget in the Tangerine and Black races in behind them, 5.5 lengths off that lead, followed closely by Mount Zion King. Then Reasons, the next big thing, and a Classy Vishala at the back. They leave the 7/16th and run toward the 3. Hail Mary battling now. Cruise Lava Cruise asked to attack on the outside. These two eye to eye as they make their way now, flashing past the 5/16th. In behind them, beginning to make some ground, that's Ballerina Steele. Senor Kwanzi is near the rail, but stepping off it. Synchronized the Grail closest to it, but it is Cruise Lava Cruise and Hail Mary continuing their duel up front. They leave the 3/16th. Bose heads apart as they drive toward the final furlong. Lady Budget in the Tangerine making ground on the rail. Senor Kwanzi just on her outside, but it's Cruise Lava Cruise looking to have the flare of a nostril in front inside the final 16th, and Cruise Lava Cruise just beginning to edge away a bit from Hail Mary. Cruise Lava Cruise takes the last over Hail Mary. Senor Kwanzi synchronized close between Shauna Cruz and Lady Budget. The final 16th, and Cruise Lava Cruise just beginning to edge away a bit from Hail Mary. Cruise Lava Cruise takes the Heath on Cookie and Sons. Train Joseph Thomas, the rider. Two synchronized, 5th, 7, Lady Budget. The trifecta, 14,904. Exacta, 13,303.